Happy WIP Wednesday. This week is very similar to last week. I have a couple completed projects. Then I have just the beginning of a new project that I'm really excited to try out. First up, I finished my grocery/shopping bag by Paint Box Yarns. It did turn out quite a bit longer than I thought it would. So I probably could have stopped at about 10 to 15 rows and not done the full 22 rows that I did. But I think this bag will actually be the perfect pool or beach bag because it's stretchy and can probably fit a couple towels rolled up in it. I decided to do the version with both the long strap and the short strap just so I have some options. The next two projects are just kind of experiment/testers. Just like every other crocheter or knitter out there, I love the Sophie scarf by Petite Knit, but I wanted to start with a crochet version because I'm a lot stronger of a crocheter than I am a knitter. And so I found a video online that had a crochet pattern for a scarf very similar. I did make an adjustment. I didn't make it as wide as the video. I stopped when I had 10 stitches across, and then I just did a bunch of extra rows of just the 10 stitches before I decreased to the end. I think this would be a cute neck scarf or even a hair scarf as well. This next project I've also been seeing all over the place, so I thought I'd give it a try. And I made a little chicken. Oh, this is so cute. And it was actually a really fun crochet pattern. I love this. I believe it's called a scallop stitch. I love that look. And I think the little chicken turned out so cute. And then I wanted to make one in yellow, but I didn't have enough yarn. So I followed the same instructions, but I did one less round before I did the scallop stitches. And then I only did 6 scallop stitches on this as opposed to the 8 on the big chicken. And then I actually don't have any red yarn. So this is just doubled up embroidery thread. And I think it worked pretty well. And then I just used some black embroidery thread and a French knot to do their little eyes. But I think they're so cute, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet. I think it'd be really adorable to maybe sew them onto a skirt or a bag or something. I'll figure it out, but I absolutely love how they turned out, and now I wanna make a million more and have a whole flock of chickens. For sewing, I wanted to try out the Craft Studio Tee, which is a free pattern by Matchy Matchy Sewing Club, and I had some white linen. That's why it's a bit wrinkly, and I think it turned out really well. I ended up doing the smallest size just because I didn't want the body or sleeves to be too flowy. I think this amount, especially in the linen, is perfect. The only bummer about this pattern, the neck hole is just barely big enough to fit over my head. Maybe I have a big head. I have no idea. But this will definitely be one of those tops that I'll have to put on before I do my hair and makeup. Totally fine. But now I really want to make one in a more jersey or stretchy material. And I might even adjust the pattern just a little bit to widen the neck opening, which will make it even more of a kind of boat neck look, which I love that look. Last but not least is the project that I have just done the prep work for. I haven't quite started it yet, but I think I mentioned last week that I really want to try filet crochet. So I happen to have this very fine yarn. It's by DMC, and I actually just found this at our local recraft store. Then I have this teeny tiny crochet hook. It says it's a size 3, but it's a lot smaller than my other size 3 crochet hooks. I'm gonna give it a try. And then for patterns, I just went onto Pinterest and typed in filet crochet patterns, and a couple came up, and then I saved the pattern and put it into Canva so that I could size it up to fit onto a regular piece of paper. These are a couple of the patterns that I printed out. We have a fish, more fish, a pretty floral doily, a seashell, a chicken, and another floral tapestry looking one. That's all I have for you this week. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting.